Welcome to Unit 13 here at the Lighthouse Landing in beautiful Bowser. I'm Nick Wasbauer with the O's Galloway Real Estate Group at Royal LePage. This unit features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a den. Tons of updates throughout, including a newer heat pump, newer appliances, granite countertops, hardwood floors, and much more. Outside, we've got a park-like setting with walkways all around us, surrounded by the trees, and this location is close to the beach, the marina, walking trails, and much more. This is a unit you don't want to miss out on.